babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shannel Morris here, and I'm here with another video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button down below and that bell button for a notification every time I put up a video. Okay, so for this video I will be vlogging my Mother's Day surprise by my one and only baby, and thank you to him, I'll be also unboxing my Louis Vuitton for you guys, because that was my Mother's Day present. It was an amazing day, so let's get into this vlog.
Happy Mother's Day, baby!
Thank you with your drive.
We're having some Italian bread with garlic dip. It's really good. Holy, cheesy.
And it's hot. Can you guys see the steam? Can you see the steam? It's so good.
It's really good.
It's from Little Caesar. So if you ever had Little Caesar, what's it called, babe? Italian bread.
Yeah.
It is so good.
We're supposed to bring this, but Shannel, she can't wait.
I'm super hungry. All morning I've had this terrible migraine
She's always hungry.
because I was hungry.
You know, I'm not full of my belly. I full up your belly of cheese, Italian bread.
No, this is gonna fly right through me because I'm so hungry.
Happy Mother's Day, baby.
Um,
I'm so proud of her. She's such a good mom. She's up late nights, you know, teaching Kiara the little stuff. Like, yeah, she did a great job for your first child. That's really good.
Thanks, baby girl.
Now today's her day. We're in lockdown in Canada, so there's not much we can do, but
Sorry, but all the restaurants are closed.
everything is
closed.
You can't even gather outside or nothing like that. You have to be like it's a stay-at-home order. Yeah, but me and my friend Brady, we tried a little thing. You guys see what we did. Just a little thing, nothing too crazy, but like, yeah.
He's been so excited to like show me, and I'm like so anxious because I want to know what's happening.
We are at somewhat of a destination. Don't know what's happening. Something smells like it's cooking. I smell food. Oh, I see things. Oh, I'm nosy. I'm going over here. Ah! Oh my gosh! Can I open? Thanks, baby.
You're welcome, baby.
How do you feel about your Mother's Day dinner? I feel good. You feel good? Yeah. Were you truly surprised? I was. I had a hunch. I had a very good hunch. But, you know. And it's the effort for me. Right? It's the effort for me. Happy Mother's Day to us. Oh!
One time!
Oh,
One time!
Boys.
See the manual there? Yeah. Everything there. More everything there.
We load it now. We load it.
We want full of belly. We want everything. The thing up.
So, tell them up on the menu.
Yeah.
What's on the menu? We have beef ribs. We have pork ribs. We have seafood melted pasta. Papa Chef special.
Okay.
We have mashed potatoes. What do we have again? Oh, we have salmon.
Okay.
We have steak. Steak there. Yeah, steak.
Yeah.
Steak. tiramisu. We have
That's your face. Period.
we have cheesecake. We have red velvet.
Okay. Woo. Okay then.
Begin. Enjoy, guys.
Just enjoy,
Happy Mother's Day.
Uh-huh.
You guys deserve it. Happy Mother's Day, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So you guys heard what was on the menu, and we are ready to have a great time.
Yes.
Bon appetit.
Well done.
Announcement. You got a
I
toast?
would like to make a toast. This is to the gentleman. It was a lockdown, and it's been very hard to come up with ideas to what to do. So you guys really brought it together and did your thing.
And we appreciate
And
you.
we-
I know it's hard
Yes.
dealing with us,
Right?
and you show up every day, even though it's hard.
Cheers. Good job.
Cheers to the good life.
Right. Good life.
You hot me. Shannel, you hot me now. When you think about the country that hot that I know. You don't know what happened to the boy that send me. They got queasy at back of the straight where you know that. The two man then they can't hold the back clean up.
Hot, you know? You hot, man. You burn up, you come like an acid. And that's it, never dash your fire machine. You get free.
That's why.
Shannel, when we say my feelings hurt, the brain never business if you want burn up or not.
Good. Why you do it though? Why you say it?
No, literally, never left the house. Not even 5
And
minutes.
guess what? That thing keep on a stress pan. Me just never while ago. Oh, I have a solid tongue.
Hi. Hi guys. What are you doing?
No, Chaz, you have to be gentle. Yes, Papa, be gentle. Yes,
Yeah, gentle.
No, gentle, Papa, gentle. Why you wanna blind her?
Gentle.
Happy Mother's Day, baby.
Thank you. Should I open a card first?
Anything.
Do people still do cards?
Rain does.
I know, but like, is it a thing?
Yeah, me give me the Jamaican, but I give me
I love you in the whirlwind of our lives. With each day flying into the next, it seems easy to take our love for granted. To forget what life was like before we had each other. To laugh with, to be
Mine,
with, to
sorry,
share
sorry,
with,
obstructed.
and
with that.
to care about. Give it to me. Oh, babe, that's a read all this. I cannot wait. I'm gonna wait.
Up to you.
Wait, I
Yeah.
wow, thank you.
Good aggressive.
I want me to wrap you up so right. Tape you up. No.
Yeah, this close to what me the bag way and shake it back.
I threw back to your ball.
I know you can't be glass while later.
Oh my god.
When I can't be glass.
Why you wrap up so much? Holy. Missy Orange box to wrap it. Well, I'm gonna own this one. Ah, this one is from Nazar, Toronto. Let's see. Oh, this is cute.
Chris is crying over there.
Okay.
Louis Vuitton.
Oh, no.
Another Louis Vuitton. So that means there's another unboxing coming for ya. Thanks, baby.
So like last week, we cooked that beef for me. I didn't know that they put that.
This is good. If y'all want to try this, I definitely recommend this. If you like a little bit of sweet of a Moscato, a little bubbly. Before we close out this vloggy vlog, I want y'all to get into this thing. And it is all from JLux label. I got it around Christmas time, so I don't know if they have it still in stock, but they always come out with kind of similar same things. So y'all check it out, check it out, check it out. Now that you've made it to the unboxing point of this vlog, as you can tell, I'm gonna be unboxing my baby, my new addition to my collection, okay? And it is going to be the Louis Vuitton Toiletry Pouch 19. So it's not too big and it's not too small, it's kind of in the middle, you know? And I love it just because of that reason, okay? Like all Louis Vuitton packaging, it comes in this orange box and it says Louis Vuitton on the front, okay? And as you open it, it has its little dust bag. So taking it out of the dust bag. So this dust bag is a little bit smaller just to fit the pouch inside. And here is the baby. So this is the Toiletry Pouch 19, as I said, and as you can tell, it's in the monogram print. And for a lot of the monogram prints, the zipper on it, it's kind of like a rustic zipper. It's not very like extra shiny or anything, and I love it. On the side of the tab, it does say Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. So, you know, the quality is up. So there you go. That is the inside, and it's just their little Louis Vuitton card. It comes with a little light dusted pink covering on the inside. It is super cute. Like, I love it. I love that it's not too big, and I love that it's not too small, and I love that it's like in between both pouches. And to be honest, you can fit quite a bit of things in here. So if you want something that's like on the go, throw all your little knickknacks in there, it's perfect. And as you can tell, let's see, it's like this big. If you're going for any of the pouches, I would definitely recommend this one just because it is a perfect size. If you have a lot of stuff, obviously you shouldn't be having a pouch in the first place. You should get yourself a big old bag. But you need this in your closet, you know? Like, you need it in your closet to grab and go. Like, if you just want to go grocery shopping, you want to be all fancy because, you know, Ontario is in a lockdown, you can definitely just grab this and go. And if you are a person that is like, when you're going out with your girlfriends, going out with your loved ones and stuff, and you just want to just bring a little bit of cash, touch up makeup and stuff like that, it's perfect for that. I feel like this is it, boo. This is it. So definitely check this one out. Bigger one is, it's always like out of stock, goes in and out of stock. This one is a must. So check it out. And thanks to Babe for, you know, getting your girl sorted. A special thank you to Raheem for making my Mother's Day so special and going all out and actually thinking outside of the box on this one. The place is on lockdown and he really put this together. Like, I was so surprised, and it's just the thought, I love a well thought through gift. Like, if I see you put an effort in a gift and really like think about the little details and everything, like, my heart will melt to pieces. So I just want to thank him for doing that and making me feel so special and putting this all together and really, like, you know, making this Mother's Day a one for the books and never forgetting it. So thank you, babe. And next, I want to thank y'all for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, cause you know I'm in love with you and I want to cut it up for y'all. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.